सो हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ व्हाटएवर द फक इट इज़। एंड आज हमारे साथ बहुत सारे लोग हैं। फर्स्ट वी हैव विद अस आवर को होस्ट हरीश
Yes.
पुरो, देन वी हैव विद अस सूरज, रवि एंड खुशी।
Also, yes.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. तो ये लोग यहाँ पे इस पॉडकास्ट पे दे आर हियर with a really special initiative, if I may say so. And also ये टाइम का पॉडकास्ट लेट हुआ है not because of me. Not because of me. क्या आप जानना चाहेंगे कि ये पॉडकास्ट
It's
क्यों लेट हो रहा है?
because of whom?
हाँ श्रेयस जरा बता क्या हो गया?
मेरे को बुखार चढ़ा है, अभी भी 101 का बुखार है और मैं पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ। तो
Yes. तो हैशटैग प्रे फॉर श्रेयस ऐसा हम लोग
हैशटैग श्रेयस को कैंसिल नहीं करना है, मरना नहीं है।
Hashtag श्रेयस माइनस नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं माइनस नहीं होगा. एनीवेज सो या ये एकदम सरप्राइज एंड इम्प्रॉम्प्टू ऐसा दिस पॉडकास्ट इज ऑन अ वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू बेसिस एंड सब लोग को एकदम शॉर्ट नोटिस पे पता है कि अरे चलो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. सो
Exactly.
तुम लोग वैसे कोई बताएगा कि आज क्या है एंड what have you guys been doing this lockdown?
Yeah. So talking about myself, this quarantine, like, been trying many things. Obviously, being reading books, watching few web series. Then it comes to many shows, and then it comes to doing something very creative, like क्या नया कर सकते हैं, because at the end कर रहे हैं BMM. Or if you don't do something which is a good initiative or kind of something new to everyone, then it will be like BMM लेने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. So we just had a team and like एक हमारा YouTube channel है, that is Fakeology.
Right.
So like वहाँ से we started छोटा हम लोग ने ये वीडियोस बनाना शुरू किया. Then we came to a conclusion कि क्यों ना we should do something which is very rare. Like people are making documentaries on topics which are like very relevant कि ये हिंदू मुस्लिम, then it comes to ये जो आजकल इतना सारा ट्रेंड चल रहा है उसके ऊपर. and अभी तो if it comes to anything, it's YouTube versus TikTok.
Right.
Then we were like कि why don't we start something as an initiative and let's spread the unknown crisis what people are facing.
Right.
Actually, we started this with a documentary on COVID-19.
Okay.
It's college में एक किए था 48 hour filmmaking competitions between the departments. तो तभी हम लोग ने 48 hours के अंदर एक COVID-19 के ऊपर डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाई थी.
Right.
तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री को बहुत ह्यूज रिस्पॉन्स मिला था. हद से ज्यादा कुछ अच्छा, एकदम बहुत लोगों ने तारीफ की थी वगैरह वगैरह. एंड ये लॉकडाउन में काफी अच्छा हम लोग सब लोगों को लगा. देन सूरज ने ये किया, अप्रोच किया मुझे एंड देन बोला कि वी शुड स्टार्ट दिस ऑन डेली बेसिस, लाइक वीकली बेसिस. वी शुड कीप मेकिंग दिस. लॉकडाउन में इससे कुछ तो फायदा उठा सकते हैं हम लोग.
Right.
And talking about
लेट्स डू समथिंग क्रिएटिव.
Okay, so as it is pretty evident, मतलब लास्ट 2-3 दिन से मैं खुद देख रहा हूँ कि मेरे ऑलमोस्ट सारे दोस्तों के स्टोरीज पे देयर इज वन टैग जो शायद तुम लोग का वीडियो है उसका एक काइंड ऑफ तुम सबको टैग करके सब लोग स्टोरीज पुट अप कर रहे हैं.
yeah
So I'm pretty sure that people are excited about it. So we would like to listen to you about the entire experience. Like, see, because shooting with a team is a real task, and especially shooting with a team that is not in front of you is even a bigger task. Like, तुम्हें पता नहीं है, तुम एक जगह पे बैठ के स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे हो, कोई और शॉर्ट्स ले रहा है, कोई और एडिट कर रहा है.
exactly.
So तुम लोग ने कैसे मैनेज किया? Like,
So I'll start. Okay.
yeah.
So it started like we were very happy with the response of COVID-19, and we were very firm that we will be doing something. अभी आने वाले days में we'll be doing something which will relate to short films and documentaries. Okay.
Right.
And then I was talking to Khushi.
Right.
And then Khushi, like we were discussing many topics. Like I and Khushi used to talk about many topics which are like unknown. And then we came to this. Khushi told me this is a mental health month.
Okay.
And 18 to 24 is the week of mental health week,
Okay.
as it is called. And then we were like ki, it is quarantine, and like basically what happens here is at a point एक ऐसा आता है दिन में, एक ऐसा time आता है where people start questioning themselves
Right.
कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, and are we doing something productive, and this affects very badly also. At the same time, it's like a mental pressure on each and everyone.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Right.
how it started, and like Khushi gathered all the content. I would like अगर Khushi कुछ बोले इसके ऊपर.
Okay.
Actually, हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, so I was like excited for this topic because it's really personal to me. As I've been really open about my mental health problems and everything.
Right.
And the thing is, like in India, as far as my experience, it has been shit. Like people
Right.
are not that aware about it, or
True
else if
that.
they are aware, तो वो लोग कुछ false information spread करेंगे and all that stuff. So
Right.
that was one thing which I was like, okay, no, I think that we should talk about it.
Right.
And इसमें बाद में when Suraj came up to me and he was talking about this, I was excited because I'm like, okay, चलो एक chance है, like we can talk about it, and maybe people can be more aware because अभी
Right.
quarantine में it's so many people are way more depressed. And aside from being depressed, अभी लोग देखते हैं Instagram पे, people are like, okay, this person is so productive, तो खुद को
Yeah.
इतना प्रेशराइज करते हैं, like shit, मैंने इतना कुछ किया ही नहीं है.
Right.
And बाद में वो खुद को वो गिल्ट पे जाता है वो.
Yeah, that is what. Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but that is what I wanted to, sort of mention. Ki, what has been your experience like when you look at people's perception about mental health issues, because people don't get it, because कैसा है कि आपकी physical health उतनी ही मैटर करती है जितनी आपकी mental health मैटर करती है, but that is an aspect that is completely ignored, all throughout our upbringing.
It's
And
just sad.
बिकॉज स्कूल में भी सॉरी टू कट यू ऑफ, बट स्कूल में भी कभी ये नहीं बताया जाता फिजिकल एजुकेशन में कि मेंटल हेल्थ कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
yeah,
Actually,
so like in your context, the kind of research that you have done, what do the stats say, like क्या लोगों का क्या मानना है इसके related?
Khushi can answer this. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, like-
so I mean, now we are talking about India, जहाँ पे majority are in rural and poverty में, and they are not educated enough for this.
Right.
So
Right.
for them, this is all like पागलपंती है, and then they believe in all superstitious things. So
Right.
actual stats you won't get it because यहाँ पे इतने uneducated लोग हैं. If you're
Right.
talking about India per se.
Right. And people don't really acknowledge it as a
Yes.
problem. Isn't
Yeah.
that an issue?
Yeah. And what,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt, like,
Yeah.
and what I have observed, like, during this lockdown and everything, we mostly focus on Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and we really
On the
don't
main
focus
cities.
on,
Right.
on the main cities. We really don't focus in the rural areas where there are a lot of issues, where there are a lot of other problems,
Right.
which is related to mental illness, which is related to mental health, but
Yeah.
we don't speak. And हमारे लिए it's like mental illness is like depression,
Very
like
true. Very true.
facing about social media. Abhi what I have done, especially for this project, what I have done, what I did, I and Khushi did like together. We just went offline for a week from social media.
Right.
And
Like okay, yeah, got
Yeah,
it.
a kind of a break.
like a detox from social media.
Detox, exactly. And
Exactly.
then that we observed that when we are alone, it's you. The whole answer of every question is within you. And then we started writing scripts. We started doing more research and I started writing too much things. And then we realized it's on you whether you want to get depressed or you're going to make best out of it. So
Right.
that's what we experienced through this, and it was a learning process for all of us, all the team members.
Very
this
true.
Project.
So have you noticed any difference in your attention span if you went for a 1 week detox?
Yes, I observe too many things, like people becoming more concerned like bro क्या हो गया, क्यों चला गया.
No, like those are the external things that you might have
Externals.
expert. But what about have you fixed your sleep? Is the quality of your sleep better? Are you able to read a book
What we are
properly?
practicing exactly,
Because-
like what sorry to interrupt, like
बोल, बोल.
what we have experienced past 2 months से अभी अपना sleeping cycle तो बहुत ही fucked up हो गया है.
True that.
Then it's very difficult to cover that in one week. So what I started doing is, rather than अभी I got very limited options. Like अगर हम लोग अभी इस quarantine की बात करेंगे तो it was like थोड़े बहुत productive work, वरना other than that we are doing just social media, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp में बातें करें, कुछ नहीं तो कुछ भी बातें कर रहे हैं. So वो time पूरा हमारे पास आ जाता है कि अब करना क्या है. अब इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस कि सोएंगे तो नहीं, लाइक इतना भी नहीं सोने का शौक है. एंड देन दैट टाइम वी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग समथिंग, स्पेशली व्हाट आई हैव डन. I started writing, and then I wrote many scripts. I wrote kinds of like scripts for my other projects, and I am sharing with all my team members. And like that's how I started being productive. And एक होता है ना कि when it comes to shows and web series, then I started watching it continuously. वरना क्या रहता था, I used to watch for 3 episodes and then I used to be like हाँ थोड़ा break ले लेता हूँ. But it's not like that. Now I can totally get into it, or I can focus on the cinemats, direction, acting.
Right. For
खुशी तेरे को भी सेम ये चीज़ें नोटिस हुई थी जब भी तू
So, मैंने actually I do this lots of time, like social media detox, because I have anxiety issues.
Right.
So I have no choice but to do this, because sometimes it becomes way too much for even me to handle it.
true that.
So when I do that, it's basically I really sleep less, like an hour or 2 at night. That's it. So it actually helps me, like my sleep pattern थोड़ा normal हुआ.
Right.
And aside from reading and all, I do that lot, so that was never a problem for me. But what really helped me was my anxiety and insomnia issues. And I just meditated, centered myself, and you get a perception like, okay, now it's better. Because this is a thing, like तुम लोग ऐसे एक दिन में ठीक नहीं होने वाला है. तुम लोग कुछ भी करो, थेरेपिस्ट के जाओ, वहाँ जाओ, कुछ भी करो, one day is not sufficient. It's like तुम्हें continuously practice करना पड़ेगा, self love and everything. So
True that. So I don't want to veer off this topic, but apart from these 3 people, like Suraj, Ravi, Khushi, और कौन है involved इस project में?
Actually, we have 2 more people, Advik and Vatsal.
Okay, and what are their roles?
Vatsal is more in content. He helps in content and all. And Advik he helps me in direction, and he also gives ideas for the
All
content
the
and everything.
cinemats. All
Okay.
the cinemats.
Mainly screenplay ideas and all. And if you want, outer source clips and all, outer source clips or anything from the third party, something. So he all managed that.
Acha. Okay, so coming to the documentary, what is it about? And एक थोड़ा सा अगर gist देना हो to our audience. So
okay,
what is it
so-
about, like?
Okay, so now this upcoming documentary is about mental illness, mental health.
Right.
तो अभी ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री में वी आर कवरिंग अप ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स है जो काफी लोग कवर अप नहीं करते, जो काफी लोग को पता नहीं है. लाइक वी आर कवरिंग अप द फैक्ट्स, द रीजंस, द इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. थोड़ा बहुत पॉजिटिव पार्ट, हमारे इंडिया में क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या क्या नहीं हो रहा है, लोगों की मेंटेलिटी कैसी है.
Right.
एंड हम लोग एक दो थोड़े पॉपुलर पीपल से भी, लाइक इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से भी उनका भी वीडियो लेके हम लोग डाल रहे हैं, ताकि लोग इन्फ्लुएंस हो थोड़ा बहुत, क्योंकि उनके वर्ड्स थोड़े ज्यादा अफेक्ट होते हैं लोगों पे, इन्फ्लुएंस ज्यादा करते हैं.
They have a
तो हम
more
उनकी भी
deep-
हेल्प
yeah, right.
एक्चुअली
ज़्यादा impact होता है.
तो हम
Right,
उनका
right.
तो हम उनके साथ भी कोलैब करके उनको भी वीडियो में 1 मिनट का हम लोग उनके ओपिनियंस वगैरह डाल रहे हैं, उनका थिंकिंग वगैरह वो सब डाल रहे हैं, वैसा वीडियो. एंड हम लोग पूरा लाइक ये हम लोग ने जो पिछला जो वीडियो बनाया था उसमें हम लोग ने वी हैव लाइक हम लोग बाहर जाके शूट वगैरह नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए हम लोग ने उसका जितना भी था हम लोग ने आउटर सोर्स से, थर्ड पार्टी से ये लिए थे क्लिप्स वगैरह सारे इंटरनेट से वाया. एंड बट इस टाइम पे हम लोग ने सोचा कि लेट्स नॉट टेक द क्लिप्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, वी शुड शूट इन अ होम इटसेल्फ.
Right.
सो ऐसे हो रहा था कि लाइक हम लोग ऐसा सोचते थे, देन आई यूज्ड टू लाइक सेंड एवरीवन लाइक व्हाट टू डू एंड ऑल डायरेक्ट, एंड फिर सब लोग शूट करते थे, सब लोग शूट करके अपने अपने शॉट्स भेजते थे.
Right.
तो हम लोग सब लोग साथ में बैठ के डिस्कस करते थे किस किस का कैसा कैसा शॉट, स्क्रीन प्ले, स्टोरी बोर्डिंग वगैरह वगैरह वो सब अच्छे से करके देन ऑल वगैरह वगैरह ऐसा करते हैं. अभी एडिट चालू है इसका.
Good.
Yeah, like I would like to say this documentary for us, it's more like we are focusing more on India aspects, like about India, what mainly Indian people suffer, like we people like us, what we suffer. And we have
So I would like to add something to that point कि जब भी लॉकडाउन हुआ, पहले से ही मेंटल हेल्थ को एक तरह से नेग्लेक्ट किया गया, बट पीपल आर रियली फेसिंग इट नाउ बिकॉज हम लोग अपने घर में इट इज़ लाइक एन केज. सो मैंने जितना रिसर्च किया है मुझे ये चीज़ पता चला है कि देर इज़ एन सिग्निफिकेंट राइज इन वॉचिंग पॉर्न वीडियोज़ एंड अदर एक्सप्लिसिट कंटेंट in India especially. So have you guys touched upon that topic in your documentary?
Talking about that, we just covered, like in this documentary there is a time limit, but obvious. So we have tried to cover all the upper aspects of the video, like going deep. Then there is like innumerable things which we can cover into mental illness. And coming to this video, we have covered all the outer aspects. We have tried to cover the topics which are very relevant, like for this youth, and which
the major ones.
It's a video like we can watch after 2 months and we can be like, yeah, this comes in mental illness. We really want to cover this, what you're talking, which is currently going on, but we have covered just the major aspects of the mental illness part.
So now this is a number that was getting circulated about 3 or 4 months back, I think. The rate of mental illness in people below 24 years of age is at its highest. And
so
right
then
now
there is
the number
of sorry my bad.
So the number of total number of COVID deaths in India is somewhere close to 4,000, I think. Right now the number is somewhere around 4K, and yearly suicides, the number of suicides caused due to mental illness is close to 30,000, and still
we have covered all these facts.
I mean,
we have covered all these facts.
That is and I mean that's commendable, but we need a thing like COVID to be recognized, but something like a mental illness is still a taboo.
It's more big issue than the COVID-19 actually.
It's a bigger issue because a lot of people are dying.
Actually, we have covered all the facts about teenagers and the tweets from the WHO. Like India is one of the biggest country which is suffering from mental health.
Okay. Wow.
Since 2018. Since 2018, it's even said that we are the most depressed country. It's been labeled as that. So why is that?
The WHO has WHO has tweeted this. So we have also mentioned that also.
That's so sad. I mean, we are the country that probably discovered yoga and meditation and done a lot of research in these fields. And still we are the most depressed people. So
to interrupt.
हाँ बोल.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि like अभी when we were researching about this topic, like about this mental illness, then we came to know there are major aspects where it has a positivity sign too. It has a positivity side too, but no one has covered that. So we tried to cover that also in our video, and like we have tried our level best to cover almost all the major aspects.
मतलब हम वीडियो में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि लोग स्टार्टिंग में देख रहे हैं, हम लोग सिर्फ फैक्ट्स बता रहे हैं, पूरा वो सब बता रहे जो लोगों को लाइक बहुत सारे लोगों को पता भी है कि लाइक हाँ ये सब चीजें होती है ये सब, क्योंकि काफी लोग जिससे पता है, काफी लोग जो जिन्हें नहीं पता। तो ऐसा हो जाता है कि स्टार्टिंग फिर पूरा वीडियो पूरा ऐसा जाता है कि लाइक लोगों को लगता है कि इन्होंने सिर्फ नेगेटिव पार्टी पूरा डाला है, इन्होंने ये पता है कि इतने लोग ये है, इतने लोग वो हो रहे हैं, इतना सब हो रहा है। बट वी हैव कवर्ड लाइक मेनी थिंग्स। हम लोग ने कंक्लूजन भी डाला है लाइक कि अगर लोग मेंटल इलनेस से बोल रहे हैं ना ऐसा जूझ रहे वगैरह वगैरह, तो उनको क्या करना चाहिए, लाइक उन्हें बोलते हैं ना उन्हें।
एंड ये चीज़ होने ही वाला है, ये चीज़ ये चीज़ होने ही वाला है कि इंडिया लोगों ने ऑलरेडी सस्पेक्ट किया है कि आफ्टर दिस लॉकडाउन एंड्स देयर इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ 40% इंक्रीज इन पीपल हैविंग मेंटल इश्यूज़। मतलब ऑलरेडी है बट वो ज़्यादा होने वाला है बिकॉज इट इज़ लाइक अ ट्रॉमा जो लोग गो थ्रू करेंगे। एंड वो जो चीज़ें पहले होती थी जैसे कॉन्सर्ट्स होते थे, जैसे फेस्टिवल्स होते थे, वो वैसे ही नहीं रहने वाली। तो देयर इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस जब भी हम लोग ये लॉकडाउन से बाहर निकलेंगे।
Things won't be same. That one thing is for sure. But apart from this, मैं अगर वापस back to basics आना चाहूँ, because you guys have made a documentary, so you obviously have done a lot of research. So if I may ask Khushi कि now we are looking at teenagers, right? Essentially young people. So what is the major cause of depression? What are they suffering from, to be precise? If you could just sort of really filter it down.
Okay, so now the most common things faced is depression, anxiety, PTSD, which is post-traumatic stress disorder.
That's right.
And this insomnia. Now there are many reasons why one can have it. Now it can be some traumatic experience पहले होगा, मे बी एक्सेप्टेंस है, पीयर प्रेशर है। अभी हमारे टाइम में ऐसा एक प्रेशर भी आ गया, अनरियलिस्टिक प्रेशर है कि नो आवर किड हैज टू गेट दिस मच परसेंटेज, उसको कंपेयर किया जाता है। एंड इवन इफ वी कम फॉरवर्ड एंड यू नो हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद आवर पेरेंट्स और समवन वी लुक अप टू, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दे विल रियली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड दे विल जस्ट बी लाइक जाने दे, कुछ नहीं होगा, सो जाए, या लाइक यू नो इट्स ओके, वैसा हो जाता है। So it's like more ignored, like it's not really necessary and you're just making it dramatic.
I think that is what you guys are targeting, isn't it? That you want to make people aware about it and want them to acknowledge the fact that somebody is suffering from it, even if you cannot do anything about it. We
are making aware that it's okay to have any mental illness, it's okay to have any issues. And that's the main topic.
And
it's okay to have any mental issue.
Curable. It's completely you know, people can be all right after it. So treating it as a stigma is not right.
लोगों को एक्सेप्टेंस ही नहीं है वो चीज़ का कि कोई डिप्रेस्ड हो सकता है। मैंने अभी भी बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है जो कंपेयर करते हैं, अगर मेरे को कुछ डिप्रेस्ड है, मैं किसी चीज़ को लेकर डिप्रेस्ड हूँ, तो वो लोग क्या कंपैरिजन देते हैं कि उधर वो रिक्शा वाले को खाना नहीं मिल रहा है घर पे, वो भी डिप्रेस्ड है, तो तू खुद का काम नहीं कर सकता क्या? मैंने ऐसे आंसर सुने हैं लोगों से कि ये सिर्फ एक स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है। एंड अरे बहुत अलग अलग आंसर सुने हैं मैंने। एंड लोग पता नहीं, अगर तुम लोग को बात सुन के नहीं लेना है सामने वाले का, डिनाई कर दो। ये फेक आंसर देने से तो अच्छा है कि तुम लोग डिनाई कर दो वो चीज़ को।
इंडिया में ज्यादा लोग यही बोलते कि लाइक अरे तू कुछ भी बोल रहा है, ऐसा सब ये सब कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं हुआ होगा, बस कुछ नहीं, तेरे को थोड़ा बहुत ये सब होगा, वैसा सब होगा। ऐसे मेन जितने भी आंसर्स आपको मिलेंगे ये टाइप के मिलेंगे। लाइक कोई भी डीपली सुन के वैसा आपके सॉल्यूशन में, वो बहुत ही रेयर लोग होते हैं जो लाइक आपकी प्रॉब्लम सुनते हैं एंड उस पे सॉल्यूशन पे आपको ऐसा हेल्प करते हैं। अगर बाकी सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि कुछ नहीं होता है, अरे ये टीनेज में बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ होता रहता है, अरे कुछ नहीं, ये प्यूबर्टी, कुछ लोग तो बोलते हैं ये प्यूबर्टी की वजह से हो रहा है। बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं एक्चुअली। हाँ, ऐसे काफी लोग होते हैं ऐसे। एंड इंडिया में मेनली लोगों को पागल स्टेट करते हैं। हाँ, एक्चुअली इंडिया में किसी को बोले कि मेंटल इलनेस से है तो दे स्टेट दैट ही इज पागल।
अरे नहीं, पागल तो नहीं लग रहा, कहाँ से मेंटल इलनेस?
You can't see my fingers.
So I want to mention that the main reason we have taken this topic is like, according to one the survey, it has been written that like 1 out of every 5 Indians is suffering from a mental disorder. So like out of 5 there is one person who is suffering from this. So it is so relatable some or the other way to everyone out there who will be seeing this video, who will be just going through even like 2 minutes of this video, they'll be relating to it some or the other way. So this is a main reason
maybe-
we have covered this. Yeah, maybe
anyone can be motivated by a video.
yeah,
Right.
exactly.
I mean,
So
that is
this
the
main
motive, isn't it?
reason.
To
Actually, that is the
motivate
motive to make us. Actually,
yeah. You know, ये जैसे श्रेयस ने ऐड किया कि I have heard a couple of really brutal statements like अरे तू डिप्रेस्ड है एग्जाम में ऐसा, अरे वो देख उसने तो सुसाइड भी कर लिया. I mean, this is not a topic that you're supposed to make fun of. ये कौन से लेवल तक लेके जाना है? Even in our close sort of group, we tend to say these things without even thinking about the gravity of the situation. Ki what if the person is actually suffering from something that serious?
Stop bullying me,
I would like
Puro.
to say it's because of the awareness. Like हमें our upbringing when we'll be sad, it's like our parents will be like क्यों रोते रहता है? There is no reason to cry. Okay, you can be happy. जबकि there is a reason to be sad. You have to realize that this is sad and we have to acknowledge that.
True.
But नहीं, and our upbringing is in that way only. क्यों दुखी बैठा रहता है तू? मतलब ये सारे हैं, and that's the reason our group is like that. कि अगर ये डिप्रेस्ड है तो अरे यार कौन बात करेगा, सामने वाला भी डिप्रेस्ड हो जाएगा.
एंड
I mean,
एक
this would
सेकेंड ये ऐसा बात है ना कि लोगों को इस ये मेंटल हेल्थ का एक्सेप्टेंस इतना कम है ना कि लोगों को पता नहीं अगर कोई डिप्रेस्ड है तो उसको अप्रोच कैसे करे, उसकी हेल्प कैसे करे. ये एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है वो चीज़ का.
राइट. आई मीन ये तो बहुत बड़ा इशू है. एंड लाइक कोई फिजिकली कोई गिर जाता है तो मलम पट्टी कर सकते. कोई इफ somebody is having a meltdown, how are you supposed to tackle it? You know, and one of the reasons why we don't know about it is because it was never discussed.
Like that's what I'm talking about, bro.
So
like
बोल.
we as a student, we are just trying to bring this awareness because we are learning the same thing. Okay, we are not something that we have done something another level. Okay, we are just trying to learn. हमने जो सीखा, that's what you are trying to portray in the video, and that's what we are trying to share with our friends, not even with our followers. We are just trying to share with our friends. So that's the only motive towards our video currently.
Okay. So earlier Khushi actually mentioned this ki youngsters are dealing with a lot of mental issues. How much of a factor social media is to all these things, like the mental issues that it causes?
It's a major, yeah. The thing is, it's a major factor. I would definitely say, because at the end of the day, we look at people and we are like, okay, I wish I had that, or you also said that unrealistic expectations for yourself.
Right.
And the thing is, at that time, we might not even be self-aware that we are harming ourselves by doing that.
Right.
Because यहाँ पे acceptance नहीं है. So even if at a point subconsciously, I am depressed or I have anxiety, you will not accept yourself कि no, because ये ऐसा उन्होंने society में ये stigma है that वो कितनी बार self acceptance भी नहीं होता.
Right. तो मतलब फिर what will be your advice to people who are like really active on social media? Like, till what point is it healthy? I don't know whether it's healthy or not, but still, if you were to put a bar on it, what would you suggest?
Yeah, it's actually different for everyone, but I would just say the day you find out that it's affecting you, or you feel like, okay, I wish, you start comparing yourself with someone else on social media. That's the day you have to be like, okay, no, I have to put some limit. You have to start some social media detoxing, like don't use your phone for a week or so. It helps.
Right.
Yeah.
एंड वो कोट वापस आता है जिधर कि कंपैरिजन इज अ थीफ ऑफ जॉय.
Comparison is a thief of joy. Yeah, true that. So on that note, तुम लोग का plugin links या फिर
Okay, like if you want to watch the video, the whole video, It will be like on the Instagram, and the user handle is SUU, that is SUURAJ _20. That's
Yeah.
the Insta handle, and there will be the video, and I hope you like it.
Right, and
Share the video as
Yeah,
much as you can.
where-
and
where
use our
you
hashtags.
posted-
We have started a hashtag.
Okay, what is the hashtag?
Helping Minds. We have started off with the hashtag Helping Minds.
Okay, so we'll surely be sharing that. कहाँ पे upload होने वाला है video? Like on what channel? Are you looking at YouTube?
Instagram.
Just Instagram?
We are uploading
Just
it on
Instagram.
Instagram.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
For our audience, you'll find it in the links in the description.
Sure. And also, I want to mention, I want to
Yeah.
mention that
Bol.
all of you guys like follow Shreyash on Spotify. Dude.
Subtle, subtle plug.
I want to plug this because he's doing great, and like we have been working together since a long time, but he's doing great. So I just want to say that support him, and he'll be doing great in future also. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes, let's hope for the best. On that note, thank you guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe.